gorgeous, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. And if you are new, it would mean so much if you guys hit the subscribe button to join my YouTube family, because I do upload every Tuesday and Thursday. Today is actually my cleaning day. I love filming these videos because it gives me an excuse to make content and be less bored during this process. Today is actually going to be a laundry day as well, so I'm gonna have to clean these bed sheets as well as clean my clothes. You guys may know that I am actually moving in about a little bit over a month, so I've been really wanting to like get organized, and also just if there's things to get rid of it now, so I have less things to bring to the new house. If you guys like my cleaning videos, a thumbs it up. It always helps me out. I will link all my socials and all that down below, as well as other cleaning videos if you guys want to have a little binge fest. I hope this motivates you guys to clean, because I know some of you are watching this because you want to get motivated. You could do it, girl. I see you. Make sure you clean. Go clean. Let's just get into it. This is just a mess that needs to go away. We even have the bathroom looking like a mess, so that's great. I'm just gonna put this pile to this side over there for when I go do the laundry. I'm just gonna pick up all my clothes as well, put them into my laundry bin and get that all ready so I can also bring that downstairs. It's gonna be a long day because it is a laundry day. Really not excited, not too into doing laundry. Anyone else with me? I think so. Of course, cannot forget the laundry in the bathroom as well. As you can tell, my laundry bin is a little bit overflowing. I'm gonna go ahead and bring the sheets down and as well as my clothing and start the load, because who even knows how long it's gonna take me to finish all this. Now that my laundry is going, you guys know the drill. It is time to take everything off of the countertops, wipe it down, just do a little bit of actual cleaning now. My room is definitely not the messiest it's been, as you guys have seen through my various clean the rooms. There has definitely been more messier rooms that I filmed, but today I definitely need to scrub down a little bit more and just get rid of dust and hair all over the floor, long hair problems. I've been trying to not have as much stuff in my room, so we're gonna just clean off the countertops now. It's a little bit of a 4-step process. All I did is remove the items off the countertop. Then I went ahead with my mini vacuum and just vacuumed the top, because literally there's dust, there's hair. I don't know how hair ends up on everything in my room, but somehow it always does. And then I just went ahead also and cleaned the mirror and as well as my little perfume stand, and then I went and sprayed down and completely wiped it, as you guys saw. These are the two items I use. This is just a microfiber cloth, and I love to use this for cleaning. And this cloth is really great. All you have to do is put water on it and you can clean your mirrored items with this instead of using Windex or any chemicals. It's just a lot more healthier. Those are the two items you're gonna see me using a lot, and you need these in your life. I believe you can literally find them anywhere. I will try to link some down below to pick up yourself, because these are lifesavers and I have so many of them lying around. Now I'm just gonna move on to all the other countertops. Move that now. Countertop number 2 complete. If you guys want to make your bathroom or room smell better, totally recommend these Bath & Body Works wallflowers, are they called? Wall plugs. They smell amazing. You can change them out all the time, especially for bathrooms. It just makes it smell so much better. I went ahead and cleaned off the countertops. I even did the countertops in my bathroom and of course the mirrors. I finished all the countertops in my room. So I did this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Everything feels fresh and smells clean in my room. All I'm gonna do now is just finish off my laundry. I'm still on my first load, so it's probably gonna take me a while. I'm probably gonna have to finish the second half tomorrow because it is starting to get a little bit dark. It gets so dark early now. I hate it. I miss summer already, and I feel like we didn't really get to live a summer in 2020, so there was that. I will catch you guys tomorrow. Hello there. It is currently day 2. It is the next day and I brought my laundry bin with all my clothes in it. So I'm gonna have to put that away, and I also have my bed sheets, so that's what I'm gonna do first. And then we're gonna head on to finishing up the floor, so dusting and cleaning it. I pretty much finished all my cleaning day 1 as you guys saw, but day 2 is just to do the finishing touches and we are good to go. And voila! I put on my sheets, put the pillows, and then also my blanket and my little laptop holder. Bed complete. Now on to all of the clothes. My least favorite part, putting away clothes. Is anyone with me? Because I don't mind doing the laundry, but the putting away part is the struggle. As you can see, I took all of my clean clothes out of my bin and everything is laid out on my bed. And I like to roll up my PJs and lounge clothes when I put them into my dressers, just because I find this is the best method to fit as much as possible. I also like to roll up my leggings for my working out clothes. These clothes are all gonna get hanged up into my closet. This is all my sweatshirts that are gonna be put into particular drawers, and of course socks, underwear, bras, all that good stuff. So now I'm just going to put everything away where it needs to be. I went ahead and put my laundry bin here. I usually put it in the corner down there, but honestly, I feel like because it's so far, I just throw my clothes on the floor. So I thought putting it here would be a better spot. That is all for the clean the room with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It took a 2-day process, but that's okay. We are here now. If you guys like more cleaning videos, thumbs it up. I will make sure to do a bunch of cleaning videos once I get into my new house in 1 month, which is so crazy to me. If you guys want to follow me on my socials, I will have everything linked down below. My Instagram's at NICOLETTAXO. I would love for you guys to join my YouTube family. I do upload every Tuesday and Thursday, so click that bell and turn on the notification to be notified every single time I upload. But if you don't get notified, just make sure to check back on Tuesdays and Thursdays. But on that note, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!